This is Maxine. Is that her name? She's getting lots of love in here.
Wait, when do you see here, honey?
She's an adoptable cat from the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire. And she has just come over to PetSmart in Nashua, over by Target off Route 101A, where she is hoping you'll find her so she can get a forever home. Maxine's only about 8 months old and adorable. It's not long fur, is it? It's medium fur. She's a cuddly one, huh? Look at that face.
No,
she says, okay, I'm done now.
Tara.
Okay, see you later, Maxine. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, pretty girl.